Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone battery drain issue in iOS 17.1.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method number 1. Turn on low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap on battery. On the battery page, turn on low power mode. Method number 2. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap on general. On the general page, scroll down. Tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset. Tap reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Method number 3. Update all apps. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on Apple ID top right corner. Scroll down. Update all apps. Method number 4. Turn off screen distance. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap on screen time. On the screen time page, tap on screen distance. Turn off screen distance. Thanks for watching this video.